Hello guys, welcome back to another video. If you haven't watched our first video, our second video, make sure to watch that before this one. We're just going to be using them in the row, so this time we use the Jeep and that. Let's see what I get. I'm probably going to get trash. Come on. Okay, I don't know if I have the rally car. That might be new. Guys, make sure to subscribe and like. And make sure just to comment down on the video. Today, we will be using the monster truck. Let's do it on... And guys, comment down what you guys want me to buy. Let's do it on... Volcano. Hopefully I don't die straight off. I almost did. Well, break my neck. Or, can't wait to show you guys this part. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Calm down. See? We went straight in the lava. But we're fine. We were running low on fuel there. 222 diamonds. Oh, the wheelie helped there. The wheelie helped. Okay, I don't know. Wheelie. Don't know when. Oh, that just answered my question. Oh, a little bump. Oh, I almost fell down. You don't want that to happen. And I'm trying to get a new record. New records are nice. That diamond. This is almost the farthest I've gone. I just have to get a couple. Yes, new record. See? I am doing way better. At least last video. Well, don't know. Not too sure about that one because I did some cool flips. Oh, we're not getting through. We're not getting through. Oh my gosh, come on. Ooh. No. Darn it. We almost got to 800 miles. I got 8 air times and 9 gems. Let's see here. Go to our stage. Ooh, I haven't tried this one out, I think, yet. Yes, I have. The best is 648. It's because it's hard to get a new one because you fly over the fuel that you need to get. Oh, I'm gonna do a wheelie. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. That was so close. But I'm gonna do a backflip here. Give me a like if I land. Oh, I did it. I'm actually surprised I got that one down. Nope. I'm flying over those. Whee! A new record. Yes. This is almost the highest record ever. I just need to get this and I'll be fine. Where is it? No! Go back. Oh my gosh, this is intense. Intense hill climb racing. Oh my gosh. I'm so stoked right now. Bro. Oh my gosh. Come on. It's right there, bro! It's right there! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, I just made it. I just made it. Holy crap. Oh. This is scary. Oh my gosh. My heart is pounding. No! You gotta be kidding me! Hey, at least I almost got 30 air times. One backflip. Ugh. Okay, let's do boot camp since I've never done that. Boot camp. Hold on. Resume. Oh my god. Oh no! I can't dare to mess up already. Whee! Over that gap. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I'm doing so bad. At least we can mow through this. Not that much, but I'll take what I can get. Oh no, the lag. Right over that. Now the bumps come here. Last time when we were using the bike on part 2, our wheels were going up. It was weird. Okay. We're going smooth. Oh yeah, and we got stuck on this part. And it looks like we're gonna get stuck again. Just back up. Get out of there, bruh! Oh my god, we're stuck. Yes, we're not stuck. Boys, we got out of it. We got out of it. Boys, we got out of it. Oh my god. What a relief. We got out of it, boys. Yes. This is the farthest I've ever made. Oh my god. No, water. I hate boot camp, bruh. Ugh! Come on, get out of there. Oh, we stand no chance. I stand no chance. If there's another gap like that. Oh, I got out of it quick. We might be able to get to another fuel. Come on, we gotta go now. Yes, baby. We got it. Yes. Oh my gosh, I almost didn't make it. Whew. That was close. Oh, we almost reached 1,000. Oh, level 3 completed. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yes, no. Darn it, guys. At least we made it past level 3. Well, guys, I think I'm ending the video there. So, peace.